To insert SIM card in a Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all you will need to open a SIM tray. On the bottom side of your phone you can find it right here. Grab a SIM ejection tool which comes along with this device and take the pointy thing and put it in the gap right here. Then we can push on it with a little bit of force to open it, and then if we grab it with 2 fingers we can remove it. After that we need to take the SIM card and make sure that you align a SIM card with your SIM slot. So it should look like this for the SIM number 2, and for SIM number 1 the same thing. Then when you insert it, you can go back and place it in your phone. Close the gap, and that way you'll be able to insert SIM card. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.